Hello, I wanted to take everyone on a tour of the Octalysis Prime world. So since we were focusing on Yuko Chow's work, I happen to be taking some gamification training in the Octalysis Prime area, or I guess it's the Octalysis Prime world, which is Yuko Chow's game-based learning for game-based learning. It's very fun. As you can see, there's a whole world here. So when it first opened up, it was just this Octalysis core. As I've spent more time here, the more and more of the world has opened up. You can go to different areas, in the community, you can learn about members, you can contact people, get updates. There are areas here where, if I open this chest, every day I get coins into my Yuko Chow, my Chow money. When I go here, I'm able to visit the store, and you can see, I have downloaded How to Design Leaderboards, which is a great forum on leaderboards. Or I used 1,000 coins to purchase in-store the Octalysis certification preparation. So it's basically a set of notes helping me to prepare to pass the level 1 Octalysis certification. There's also different traps and potions and magic items which allow you to have special powers in the world, which allow you to collect different rewards, and many of them are things that will help you in challenges along the way. If we go to the stats area, you can see that this has the 8 core drives from Yuko Chow. So he's used this as a framework for how to succeed in the world. So I'm still fairly new. I've only been here about a month, and my status is blue. I've unlocked 0 of the 8 powers, but I'm up to level 3 and level 4 and level 5 in the different areas. So as I complete the challenges, which in this case are the learning trios, I'll get points for different areas of the core drives. I still haven't figured out if it's because of the content or if it's randomly assigned. I look forward to learning more about that. You can see that these are the 8 core drives. We've got meaning, empowerment, social influence, unpredictability, avoidance, scarcity, ownership, and accomplishment. So on the top hat here, those white hat core drives, and on the bottom hat here, the black hat, sorry. So it's white hat on the top, black hat on the bottom, and those are just kind of more negative association drives like scarcity and avoidance. What I thought was really interesting is the contextualized learning that Yuko Chow uses to teach people about his gamification process is using the gamification process itself, which is really lovely. You can start to see there's different pieces like, the social element, getting to kind of meet people, who are the different sort of people that I can meet in the world, and there's a whole kind of element to that. So when we go into, let's just go into this. This is the applied psychology area. So what you'll see is like a little course will come up, and so you can take, how to become more persuasive, and it's going to talk about it with regards to the framework. It's going to give videos, and sometimes there is even TED Talks. There's the Udemy course is built into this. So there's a whole bunch of content. From a learning design standpoint, I wish there was more opportunity to engage in a more interactive way. However, I love the ability for there to be lots of different contents. The challenges you can see here, it's very fun. Each of the worlds are, kind of the subworlds are very interesting. And, what I get here is the ability to engage in a challenge that would allow me to receive my Octalysis Prime certificate. So this is really exciting. It tells you how to kind of pass the level, the competency of using the fundamentals. It's not meant to be quick or easy, and it's something you have to work towards. So it's pretty exciting that he's using so much framework of the game design to pass the game design. It makes it challenging. It's definitely not as difficult, not as easy, but it really feels like I'm going to understand it, and I also feel really encouraged to want to master this. So that is all exciting and interesting, and I thought this, based on watching the video this week, this might be something that people would be interested in. I hope you have enjoyed the short tour of the Octalysis Prime world, and happy gameful living!